In this video, I'm going to show you how to auto cut video clips quickly in CapCut on PC. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, what I'm going to do is open up CapCut. I'm going to click new project, and now I'm going to import a video where I'd like to cut these video clips from. So I'm going to click on import, go to my download section, and I've got this free action movie clip for this demonstration. So I'm going to drag this into my timeline, and now if I press play on this video, I'm just going to play a short clip so you can see. Alright, so in order to auto cut this video clip, click on the video, then right click, and it will say split scene. So go ahead and click on split scene, and now give this a few moments to take effect. So depending on how long the video is and how quick your computer is, it shouldn't take too long. So this is only a minute clip, so yeah, it'll take probably half a minute. So just wait for that to do its thing. And now if I zoom into the timeline, you can see all these scenes have been generated automatically using that thing. So yeah. Alright, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.